This is the weather forecast video for Tuesday, July the 3rd, 2012. Taking a look at the satellite image from last evening, we have a complex of showers and thunderstorms over the western Great Lakes, northern Wisconsin, Minnesota, some showers and storms in Nebraska, and a bit of activity across the Ohio and Tennessee Valley as well. The watch warning map just before midnight last night shows some severe thunderstorm warnings up in the Northwoods of Wisconsin and the UP of Michigan, and heat advisories across the upper Midwest, western Great Lakes down into the Ohio Valley, and this is going to grow and expand. And what's not growing and expanding here is the rainfall over the next 5 days. This is the QBF chart. This is through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock. A lot of the heavy rain up to our north, to our northwest, over the desert southwest, the southeast. Around here, we might get some, but it'll be a while. So let's take a look at that little bit of rain that could be coming with the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. The heat ridge is starting to build up once more across the area. Bit of energy coming down with the trough over the north and west will bring some showers in that area, but around here most of the rainfall will be to our north again. Although the GFS is a little bit bullish with the rain fairly close to the state, but it's going to remain dry and very hot. Even temperatures into the 90s, even to the 4th of July here. Looks like the rain is now going to stay away from the state. We'll be up in Wisconsin and across areas east of here, so that won't be a problem here. And even Thursday, GFS is a bit bullish with the rainfall again. Don't think it's going to be raining here Thursday, so we're going to stay dry and hot in the 90s. Even into Friday, we could see some activity late Friday night, possibly in the northwestern counties, but it's looking like it's going to remain dry into Friday. But in the following weekend, this coming weekend, Saturday, there could be a chance of a shower or storm. Temperatures will begin to cool off slightly, although there's a heat advisory in effect for most of the state until Saturday. And Sunday, there's a better chance that there could be some showers and thunderstorms with a cold front that will be moving southward and bringing us at least some relief from the heat. Temperatures backing off at least into the 80s. Monday, could still see some shower activity around. Temperatures still remaining in the 80s to possibly lower 90s at that point. And a week from today here on the 10th, you see we have a northwesterly flow aloft as the heat ridge has sort of been supplanted south and southwestward. Bit of a trough over the Great Lakes, and at the surface we'll have a lot of rainfall, but not around here. Most of it to the east, to the south, and to the west, but we'll be drying off and cooling off with temperatures back into the 80s at that time. A couple days later on July 14th, there's the heat ridge. It's back again. The 594 ridge centered about near Goodland, Kansas. It'll be nosing back in, so after a few days of cooling off, it looks like it could be coming back. And all the rain and storms look to be back to our north and back to our southeast again as we get back into the heat and humidity of lower to middle 90s possibly at that time. And at the end of the forecast here on the 19th, we have the ridge overhead again, centered in and about Kansas somewhere, and the storm track well to our north, and there could be a isolated popcorn shower, but this weather pattern is really looking like it's going to be a very hot and dry summer this year. Thank you for tuning into the weather forecast video. We'll have another one on Wednesday.